Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, if you follow my video, I'm an affiliate marketer, coach, and I have a software for sale which I'll be using for my affiliate marketing business. And as you can see on the screen, this is the result which my software has given one of my students who got my video course and software, and I started working on his ClickBank affiliate platform. So remember, to be a successful affiliate marketer, one of the things that you need to consider or you need to be focused on is where you get your leads and your traffic, because that's where your sales will come from. So that's why I'm coming, because as an affiliate marketer, I've also tried several methods and means by which I can get sales and get traffic to my site or to my platform in the past years, but many of the method I tried did not give me my desired result. So, and as a software developer, I came up with the software which I'll be using on my affiliate platforms, and has been giving me good sales. So now the software is up for sale. So if you want to get my software today, my software that has been giving me SLSs like this. So if you want to get my video course and software today and start heading really good as the result which you have been seeing on the screen, you can just contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. So join the clique of the smart ones that are heading really good and are doing fine in their ClickBank affiliate marketing platform. And remember, my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone. You can use my software on other affiliate marketing platforms also. So get the software and the video course today and start earning good, because I have many students around the world and they are really doing fine. And with time, you will get to know that it's not really about the hard work, it's about the smart work, because this my software has really changed the game for my students, and I am really doing good and doing fine. So to get the software and the video course today, text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Thank you.